Stop scrolling. In the next few minutes, you might find a skill that can literally change your life. Imagine this. You're working from your laptop anywhere in the world. No boss, no fixed hours, getting paid really good money. That skill? Video editing? But here's the truth nobody tells you. When you start, it feels like chaos. What software do I use? What tutorials are worth watching? Am I even learning the right way? It's overwhelming. But if I could go back and start over, knowing everything I know now, I would follow a very simple 6-step roadmap. And if you stick with me till the end, you'll know exactly how to learn video editing fast without wasting years. Step 1. Mindset. This is where most people fail. When I started, I made a huge mistake. I just wanted to jump into the software and make cool edits. Transitions, effects, speed, everything. But here's the reality. Trying to edit without the right mindset is like trying to run before you can walk. So let's fix that with 3 simple mindset shifts. 1. Story first. Tools second. At 17, I thought I was a great editor just because I was fast in Premiere Pro. Until one day, I talked to a professional motion designer, and he completely changed how I see editing. He told me, "You're editing fast, but you're not telling a story." That hit hard. Because at the end of the day, you're not just an editor, you're a storyteller. 2. Think like your audience. Every edit you make should answer one question. Would I actually enjoy watching this? Should it feel energetic or calm? What music fits? What vibe connects? If your audience feels nothing, they'll leave. 3. Know your why. Let me be honest with you. If you don't have a strong reason, you'll quit. When I was 10, I made football videos for fun. At 13, gaming videos to make my friends laugh. At 15, I started growing social media pages. Different goals, but one thing stayed the same. I had a reason. So ask yourself, why do you want to learn this? Because that why is what will keep you going. Step 2. Choose your software. Don't overthink this. Everyone asks this. What's the best editing software? Here's the truth. It doesn't matter. Tools are just tools. I personally use Premiere Pro and After Effects. But if you're starting out, DaVinci Resolve is an amazing free option. Pick one and stick to it. Because the real challenge isn't choosing software, it's actually learning it. Step 3. Learn the core fundamentals. This is the fun part. Let me save you months of confusion. When I started, I tried learning everything at once. Photoshop, After Effects, Illustrator, and guess what? I got overwhelmed. What I should have done is focus on just a few core fundamentals. 1. Composition and design. How your video looks. Where things are placed. What grabs attention. How colors create mood. 2. Storytelling. Every video needs a beginning, middle, and end. No story equals no engagement. Simple. 3. Sound, the hidden hero. Bad audio equals instant click away. Clear voice, balanced music, subtle sound effects. 4. Pacing. Too slow. People get bored. Too fast. People get confused. Good pacing equals people stay. Step 4. Never stop learning. The best editors don't just work, they improve. They follow a simple loop. Practice, reflect, improve. If you stop learning, you stop growing. Simple as that. Step 5. Don't do it alone. Editing can feel lonely, and that's dangerous. So here's what you should do. Work at an agency. You learn fast. Find a mentor. This is a cheat code. Join a community. You grow faster together. Work closely with clients. This builds real skills. The more people you learn from, the faster you grow. Be valuable. You don't just edit, you become valuable. Here's how. 1. Build a personal brand. Show your work. Show yourself. Let people connect with you. 2. Learn extra skills. Motion graphics, storytelling, design, communication. These make you stand out. 3. Be professional. This alone puts you ahead of 90% of people. Be reliable. Communicate clearly. Actually care about your work. Final outro. So now, you have it. The exact roadmap I wish I had when I started. If you follow this and actually put in the work, you won't just learn video editing, you'll become really good at it. And trust me, this skill can open doors you didn't even know existed. If you enjoyed this, you're going to love the next video where I break down 10 years of editing experience in just 10 minutes. Let's go!